Welcome, Flutter enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Flutter widgets, specifically those crucial for creating a seamless side drawer. So in a mobile app, side drawers serve as a hidden menu that can be revealed with a swipe or tap, allowing users to access navigation options without cluttering the main screen. Like I'm doing in this app. This feature enhances user experience by providing a clean and organized interface, especially in applications with multiple sections or features. Bear with me in this video and we will craft this same side drawer in this video. And guys, please do subscribe to us. 88% of viewers are not subscribed. Please don't do this. Subscribe to us and be a part of this journey. So to create a basic side drawer in Flutter, we will utilize Flutter's built-in drawer widget and then we will integrate it into our app's layout. This straightforward implementation sets the foundation for a functional side drawer. So now come into our This My Home page class, and here we have a app bar and the body parameter. Now let's start crafting a drawer. So for creating a side drawer there is parameter in this scaffold widget as drawer. Now here add a drawer widget and now for its child widget. Here add list tile widget. And here give the padding as 0. Then add children here. Now here inside our drawer we want to show a header, which will contain information like user image and username. So we can do this by using drawer header widget. So here add drawer header widget, and here give this widget a decoration parameter. And then here add box decoration widget and inside it give a color property, and assign the color dark blue. Now give this drawer header its child property. And for child here give it a column widget, and assign it its main axis height as main axis height.min. Now for its children, first we want to show the user image in our header, so here I'm using asset images. You can use network image or whatever kind of image you want to use. So here add image.asset then give the path of asset image. Here in this project I've already added my asset image, and if you don't know about the asset image or image widget, then I'll add the link of my another video in the description. So there you'll find everything about image widget in Flutter. Now I've added my image with its height and width. Now let's add name here using a text widget. Here I'm adding my name as widget wisdom. Then add some space between our image and name using a sized box. Now let's run our application to check that whatever we have done till now is working fine or not. So I've run my app, and now you can see on the app bar we have this hamburger icon. So now let's tap on this icon, and wow, our side drawer have just appeared with our name and image. So now let's add some menu items here, like home, share app and settings. So here below our drawer header, add list tile widget, then come inside it and here give it a title, as text widget then inside it add string for your menu. Here I'm adding home and then for list tiles on tap callback make it empty as of now. We will add here our routing logic in few minutes. Now copy this list tile widget, and paste it 2 times and then, change the text widget string for different menu items. Now save the code and run the application. Our app is installed, so now press on this icon, and as you can see we have our menu items in the side drawer. So now let's make them clickable, like when we tap on any of these items, then it's redirecting to new screen. So now here let's quickly create 2 stateless widget for share app screen and settings screen. So here I've created these 2 stateless widgets, and these screen contains a app bar and a centered text widget, which is saying share app page and settings page respectively. Now come on this share app option then here. When user taps on this first we want to close this drawer, so here add navigator.pop then inside it pass the context. So that it will close this side drawer when user will tap on this item. Now we want to navigate to share app page. So here I'm adding navigator.push, then pass the context, then add the material page root and inside it add the builder and the context of this screen, then here add the share app page root. Then do the same thing for settings page. Now save the code, and then run the application. Now click on this icon and then tap on this share app page, and you can see we have successfully navigated to share app page. So that was it for this video. We have successfully added the side drawer in our Flutter application. And if you want to discover or learn something new, then comment box is open for your suggestion. Add any Flutter topic which you want to learn. So that was it for this video. I'm your host, signing off until next video.